My name's Naomi Jones, and I'm the author of The Rap Lesson, which is part of the Readerful Rise series. I was diagnosed with dyslexia when I was 21 and halfway through an English degree at university. The first person I told was a friend of mine who said, "But you're not stupid at all." It really highlighted to me that there's still a real stigma around dyslexia and finding learning to read hard. I'm a mum of two boys in years 3 and 5 at primary school, and I know how aware they both are of what their friends are doing at that age. That's why it's so brilliant that this new Readerful Rise series has been designed especially for kids who might find reading a challenge. Kids just don't want to feel different. They want to read books that look like the books all the other kids in their class are reading, both in terms of the topic, the titles, the artwork, the format, the content, and also the fact that these books have a spine like all the others their friends are reading. The Readerful Rise books do that so brilliantly. And crucially, the layout and text and language has been really thought about, so it will make reading more accessible and engaging. And it'll help them improve their reading too.